Well, hello there. Here at Survival Homestead Teaching Farm, we are all about teaching you everything homesteading, and one of the aspects of homesteading is herbal medicine. Now, last week we told you we had something big on the horizon, and we were not lying. Drum roll, please. I have started the Homesteading Academy of Self-Sufficiency. It's huge. I mean, huge. In the Homesteading Academy of Self-Sufficiency, there is the Weed Doc School of Traditional Herbal Medicine, Find Your Balance Health and Wellness School, School of Traditional Homesteading Skills, and even a Homestead supplemental homeschooling for grades K through 12. When I said huge, I meant monumental, and it's open to anyone who would like to learn. The Weed Doc School of Traditional Herbal Medicine is in its infancy, and more will be added to the school. So much information! Because it is in its infancy, you get a massively huge discount if you sign up for it before September 1st, 2026. This is the introductory time, so prices are much cheaper. They will go up on September 1st, 2026. The other schools are in the works and will have an introductory period as well. These courses and schools will change your life. They are comprehensive and filled with wisdom and knowledge that is colossal. And you even get a certificate when completed. This is so enormous that we just couldn't wait to tell you about it. So, as of today, go to www.theweeddoc.net. That is .net, not .com. I'll put the link in the description below. Again, that is www.theweeddoc.net, and click on the Homesteading Academy of Self-Sufficiency. You can see what amazing schools are just waiting to be learned. If nothing at all, just go there and take a look around and see what you think. This would make excellent birthday gifts. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching us here on Survival Homestead Teaching Farm.